Okay, it's the next day and we are gonna go to the Chocolate Hills. We're gonna go see some, what kind of creatures are they? Terces? I don't know what they're called. And then the man-made forest. And then tomorrow we're gonna go do some more exploring too. And I'm excited. We got a bike. We already had breakfast. I had chicken and waffles, very good. And now let's go get on the bike and go explore a little bit. Alright? So we're gonna go learn about tarsiers. We gotta be quiet though. Yeah, so that was about $2.20 or so, like Rachel said. So we got to see an endangered species, and it was they're very beautiful. It's raining, so a lot of them are like sleeping and hiding right now. And they're nocturnal beings, so they kind of look like Yoda. It's really funny. It's really cool to see them. But on to the next spot, I guess. So we had to hide out for a minute because it started pouring. It's kind of died down a little bit now, but it's still pretty. It's picking back up again. It's still pretty crazy though. So. So here we are at the man-made forest. We're inside the man-made forest. You just drive through it. We just stopped on the side of the road because it's weird here. It's beautifully designed. It is definitely, you can definitely tell these trees were planted in an order, and it is weird to be in a forest like that. The occasional cars come by. You can just stop like we did. You can just hang out for a second. Not a lot of traffic on the road, but wow, it's crazy. Very cool. I don't know the history of this. I don't know why it's here. I will look that up and let you guys know, but this is crazy. Very cool. So we made it to the Chocolate Hills. We haven't got to the top where the actual viewpoint is, but even from here where the parking lot is, it's very beautiful. It's 50 pesos a person to get in here, so it's about a little less than $1 per person to get in here per adult. I think a child is either 30 or 20 pesos, I can't remember exactly. But man, just that's very beautiful behind me. Very amazing. Nature is crazy, and the nature today has been amazing and awesome. And I can't wait to see more of the Philippines, more of the nature here. And I'm just pumped to be here. This is awesome. The sun's, it's like clearing up. It was rainy, but now it's like beautiful out. And now we're gonna go to the top and see what that's like. So we made it to the top, and we get that beautiful view of all the Chocolate Hills. I'm not really sure how they formed this way or why, but I'll find out. But I guess not. But enjoy them, because I'm gonna enjoy them. So you guys can't see it, but there's two Philippine eagles. We got to see two Philippine eagles just flying in the wild. That's pretty sweet.
And not in cages. Yeah. The last one.
Yeah. But Rachel's like, yeah, those look like Philippine eagles. And I'm like, they look really small, but they're also kind of far away.
And then we heard a guy in the background.
Yeah, and then we heard a guy saying, yeah, they were. So, yeah, cool. We got to see two Philippine eagles in the wild. I'm pretty hyped about that. That's cool. But this is crazy. I don't know what to say. I want to climb up one. I want to climb one of the chocolate hills. I don't want to be on this one, but it's still cool. So we're gonna head back down, try to get back before it's dark, and then probably get some food. So
Ready. 3.
I might learn about why they're chocolate hills. So apparently 2 million years ago, sorry, the sun's in my eyes. So apparently 2 million years ago, all of Bohol was under the shallow sea, and as the seas receded, kind of got carved. These chocolate hills kind of got carved out, and also apparently this was all like a coral basin, So that's like a mixture of rock and coral that we see now as the chocolate hills, I guess. I could be completely wrong, and I could have misread that or misheard that, but yeah, apparently this was all rock and coral at one point, and now it's these beautiful chocolate hills we see today. Cool. They're beautiful. I said beautiful. The beautiful chocolate.
Speaking of chocolate, can we go get food?
Yeah. Alright. Let's go get food. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is. We're here at White Sand Beach. We just ordered some fruit smoothies, or fruit shakes or whatever. We were gonna go to a cave where you could swim, but we got there and there was like, said $50 to enter. We're like, alright, no problem. Or 50 pesos to enter. We're like, alright, no problem. And then they're like, well, it's a $15 peso parking fee. Alright, whatever. And they're like, are you gonna swim in there? Like, that's the reason to come. They're like, well, that's gonna be, instead of 50, it's gonna be 175 pesos a person, plus the 15 peso parking fee. So we're like, well, why don't you just, no, and we left. We didn't want to deal with that. And I know it's not that big of a deal, it's not that much money, but when you have something that's stated on a sign and it's something different, especially for the reason you're going to a place. But we're here at White Sand Beach, just gonna chill out here for a little bit, probably go swimming and drink some smoothies.
That's not what you meant? Can I shake? That's good.
Rachel accidentally spilled some of my shake. Who's this guy doing, huh? Okay, so we just got here, we just left the beach where we were at the White Sand Beach, and we came here to come to get food. Didn't realize this place was a resort, and they let us in just like, well, the way I'm dressed right now. And this is a bit pricey for what I like, but I don't know why they even let us in, honestly. There's 2 infinity pools, and it's a beautiful view of the ocean, and I'm just like, why are we here? They let us in.
Yeah, they...
I don't know. I'm dressed like scrubs, and they're like, oh yeah, just sign this piece of paper with your name. Or I'm dressed like a scrub. Can I just go for water? Oh, okay. So let's find the cheapest thing on the menu. So we got food. One of the cheaper things on the menu, but they look really good, so we're gonna definitely eat them. Obviously we're gonna eat them, but yeah.
I was not eating this kind of salad.
Steak salad. Alright, we're out of here. Food was good. I'm wearing my nighttime driving glasses. Yeah. These are my driving glasses so stuff doesn't fly in my eyes when I drive. Because all the visors I get with my helmets, they are horrible to drive with at night. And the sun's starting to set, so I'd rather wear these than those because we're going the opposite way of the sun. So we need to grab the bill and get out of here because we need to go back and do work. Do some work, figure out where we're going next. But alright, see you guys when we get back. So we are at the ferry port now. We're leaving Bohol, going back to Cebu City for a day or two, and then we are making plans to go somewhere else. We only have about a week or so left here in the Philippines in total, and it's gone by super fast, and it's been a lot of fun and pretty crazy. But I'm excited for our next adventure, I guess. We're just waiting. We have about a little less than an hour until we can leave. Here's our Airbnb for the night, except the door is locked, or the gate's locked. So yeah, we're just waiting outside, waiting for someone to respond to our message, and then we'll be able to show you guys our room. Okay.
Sam, babalik naman ni. Uy, kuha niyo sabi. Uy, ibalik man ni. Kuha niyo sa. To the dark, to the dark, to...
So how'd this happen?
We sat down. She said she's gonna tell the caretaker to hurry up.
So we were just sitting here waiting for our people, or waiting for our caretaker to get here to let us in, and then the neighborhood kids just came up and wanted pictures and just kind of hung out with us. What are you doing? So here's our room. It's a nice little Airbnb. It's very basic. No AC, but we have this big fan. Bathroom's alright. Nothing like it's really nothing special, but it is very nice. The bed looks decently big. Haven't even laid in it yet. We have locks, Wi-Fi. What more can you ask for? We're here for a night, so I think this is going to be a really good place for a night. We just walked and got food. It was about a 5-minute walk, and we went to a dumpling place that was just like on the side of the road, a little hole in the wall place. It smelled amazing. There was a line. You could sit there. There was like 5 chairs where you could just take out. We just decided to take out because 5 minutes. And then we also got a big bottle of water and 2 drinks. Like, we're not sure what they are. We don't think they're energy drinks, but they're like these little things. And we got one that's pomelo and one that's these little guys. Kalaminskis. But I'm excited to try this food, and I know Rachel is, and it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell it.
It's like garlicky mixed with like a bunch of other stuff. I'm super excited.
Me too.
Let's try it.
So we're gonna eat some really good food, hopefully. Well, that does it for me today. We came back to Cebu City. We're figuring out our next step, and we're in the Philippines for about another week, and then we're out of here. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.